Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. And in this video, you are going to learn how you can use Elementor Forms to add subscribers in a list in Mailgun application automatically. So guys, Mailgun is a transactional email API service for developers by which you can send transactional and tracking emails. And Elementor is a form building plugin of WordPress. So here I'm about to share an automation with you which will let you add subscribers in mailing list in Mailgun application automatically on Elementor form submissions. So now let me show you how this is going to look like. So the flow of this automation is going to work like this. As and when you receive a form submission via a form created with the help of Elementor, the same person who have filled this form is going to be added in a list in Mailgun application automatically. So that way you don't have to manually sort out the details of your customers or your subscribers and add them one by one in the mailing list you have in Mailgun application. Here you just have to share this form with your subscribers, and as and when they are going to fill this form, they are going to be automatically added in Mailgun application. So it will surely save a huge amount of your time and improve your productivity. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any kind of coding skills or programming knowledge. So anyone can set up this automation easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account. For that, you can check the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will provide you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so after signing up, you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. And on this page, guys, you have to start setting up the automation by creating a workflow. So to create workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give any suitable name to your workflow also. So let me fill the name here. So here I have given the name to this workflow as add subscribers from Elementor Forms into Mailgun automatically. And here you can click on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. And guys, on this page, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So guys, this automation is going to work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of any event, and that event is going to trigger this workflow, and the action will be the response to the trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be submission of a form via Elementor Forms, and the action or the response to that trigger would be to add the same person who have filled the form into Mailgun application automatically. Okay, so first of all, you have to set up this trigger here. And for that, you have to choose your trigger application first, which is Elementor Form in our case. You can type here Elementor, or you can find this icon and select it. And then you have to select this trigger event as new form submission. So it will trigger this workflow when a new form is submitted. Okay. And then it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys, and it is used to fetch the data out from any external application to here in Pabbly Connect. So here, with the help of this URL, we are going to connect Elementor form and we'll fetch the data of a demo submission via that form to here in Pabbly Connect. And with the help of that demo data, we are going to move forward in this automation. Okay, so you can read the instructions written here to connect your form. Let me show you how you can do this. So first of all, just click on copy here, and then you have to reach your WordPress plugin section. This is the form I have created with the help of Elementor. And now you have to click on this edit with Elementor option. Okay, and the editor of Elementor plugin will open up like this. And here click on any field on the form, and on the left hand side you will see the content section, and from this panel you have to scroll down and you will find this actions after submit button. Click on actions after submit, and here from this field you have to search for webhook. Okay, search for webhook, right? Add it, and you will find this webhook tabbed in below here. And when you click on it, you will find this webhook URL field. And here in this field, you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from Pabbly Connect. Okay, and after this, you have to come here on this update button and click on update. So this form will be updated. Okay, so the form is updated now. And here you can see in Pabbly Connect, as I have copied this webhook URL, it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now you have to perform a test submission, or you have to fill the form as a demo submission, and we are going to capture that demo data here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I'm opening my form here. I'm clicking on view page. Okay, and I'm going to fill this form with a sample name. Let's say the name of this person who is filling this form is Akash Yadav. Okay, and this will be the email of Akash, let's say, and this is the phone number, and I'm going to click on send here, and you can see the form is getting submitted here. And here you can see this form was sent successfully. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the data or the response of this form. And here you can see in this response received section, we got the details from this form like this. The name of the person who have filled the form and all the details. Okay, now I want to add this person in a list that I have in Mailgun application. Okay, so for that you have to connect Mailgun application in this actions tab. So from this actions tab, you have to search for Mailgun. This is Mailgun. Okay, and in the action events, you have to select new mailing list member. So it will add a new member to a list. Select this, then click on connect. And from this window, select add new connection. And here it will ask for these things: the API, the private key, the Mailgun host region, and the domain name. So you can read the instructions written here. You have to enter the API as it is, and you have to fill the private API key, and you will find the private key in the account settings and in the security section in Mailgun. So first of all, in this API, you have to put API only. Okay. And now let me show you how you can find this private key. So I'm going to my Mailgun's dashboard. And here I have this profile icon, click on it, and here you'll find this security section, click on security. Okay, and from this page you will find this API security tab, click on it, and here you will find this private key. You can see like this. So you have to open this key and copy this key like this and then paste this private API key here like this. Okay, and for the host, you can see for US region you have to put the whole this link. You can, for US region you have to fill this link here, and for the European region you have to fill this link. So we are working in US region, so I'm going to copy this link here and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, and for the domain name, you can read here the domain name to use from the list of domains in Mailgun. The domain should reside in the same region as this region selected above. Okay, so you can find the domains from this domains link. Okay, just click on domains, and here you can see we have this US domain region. Click on it and you will find, you can see this is the domain link that we want. So you just copy this link from here, this string of text that we have, copy this from here and put it here in this domain name like this. Okay, and now you just have to click on save and you'll be connected with Mailgun like this. So we are connected now, and here it is asking to choose the list in which you want to add this person whose data you have collected via Elementor. So I have this lists here. Let me show you. This is my dashboard of a Mailgun application. So here in the dashboard, you will find this sending tab here on the left hand side, and under this sending, you will find this mailing list option here. Click on mailing list. Okay, and you will find the lists you have. So we have this Elementor list in which I want to add the person. Okay, so you will find the person here in this recipient section. Okay, so you first of all you have to select this list from this field. Okay, select Elementor. And now it is asking for the address and the update and member name. So we are going to use the data that we have received in the first step from the Elementor, this test data. I'm going to map this data here in this second step. So to map the data, just click here on this address field and you will find this Elementor option in the drop down. And from this option, just map the email address. Okay. And in this update field, click yes to update member if present, no to raise an error in case of duplicate member. So if this member is already present, you can make it make this update as yes, no to raise an error. And if this person is a new person, you can make it yes. Okay, so the list will be updated. And here in the member name, just map the name of the member, okay, from the Elementor step like this. So when you map the things like this, what will happen in real time, whenever you got a form submission via any person, this data is going to change accordingly as the form's response you receive, and a new member will be added in Mailgun. Okay, so here you can see we have no recipients right now in this list. Now let's check our connection if Mailgun is working fine with us. So I'm clicking on save and send test request, and let's see what happens. And here you can see it is showing us this kind of response. A mailing list member has been created. Now let me show you in this recipient list. I am refreshing this page here. And here you can see we got a new recipient here. Let me show you. This is a recipient named Akash Yadav, subscribed. Okay, this is the email address. So connection with Mailgun is working properly, and this is how it is going to happen. And guys, you have to map this data and make the connection only once. After that, you don't have to touch this workflow. After that, as and when any person is going to fill your form, your Elementor form, that person is going to be added here automatically. Let me show you a real-time example. I'm going to fill this form here again. And this time the name of the person is, let's say, Zoya. Zoya Khan is filling this form. And this is the email address of Zoya. Okay, and this is the number. I am clicking on send here. Okay, so you can see the form was sent successfully. Now I'm going to directly check in Mailgun application if this person who have filled this form is added or not. So I'm refreshing the page again. And here you can see in this response recipient address, we got the new person added automatically named as Zoya Khan. So this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. And we are done setting up this automation. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in the trigger, I connected Elementor Form plugin, and with the help of this URL, I collected the data of a demo submission here like this. After that, in the action step, I connected Mailgun application and mapped the data required to create a member in a list. Okay, and guys, the good part is you can use this same workflow that I've just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.